Got it here 5 Leathermans you can buy right now. So let's see what they're all about. This one is wingman. Beautiful packaging. I really enjoy their holders. Wow, that is easy. So it comes with the instructions, but we'll figure it out how they works. So you flip it over, you have right here pliers, wire cutters, very easy, left-handed, right-handed, nice. Okay, how hard it is to flip some of this stuff open. You can lock it in, Leatherman wingman. This one's about $50. That's kind of cool. Whenever you lock it in, it stays intact, so that way we can pull this stuff out. Oh, that is nice. You just kind of grab it right here, nail clip. You pull this out. You got right here bottle opener, can opener. You see there's a sharp edge, so it does both. And then you have right here some kind of tools, screwdriver, file. Just a basic necessity right here. That's cool. Okay, let's fold this up. You have right here a little knife here and the scissors here. You lock it in here. I guess you push it up and then it will kind of close slowly. Interesting design right here. It doesn't reset itself. You gotta reset it yourself. And let's check out the other side. Grab it, pull it, couple more screwdrivers. Easy to take it out, that's what I like about that. Nice. Overall, I think it's pretty solid. Wingman, Leatherman. Next we got it here, Signal stainless. Wow. Okay, that one is kind of cool. It's much newer. So this one is a lot more newer one. Interesting. So there's a clip. You can hang it onto a backpack or onto your pants, cargo pants. There's a saw. Ooh, nice. Liner lock. Beautiful. What else we have here? Same thing, little knife, liner lock, push it too. Wow, a lot of things. I don't even know how to open them. Okay, how do we even, okay, there you go. Doesn't have a spring on this one. You have to open it, and kind of different feel to it, but I like it. Not every plier should have springs on them. And as you can see, these are movable blades for wire cutters. Once they get old, you can put new ones up. Cool. Okay. What's in here? This is perfect for camping. You have everything you need. There's some kind of, oh wow, no way. Can open a knife. There's a little screwdriver, and I think this is comes out and flips over for different one. That is cool. What else is in here? Fire striker, and there's a whistle too. Okay, there you go. Push this out and take it out. The whistle works pretty loud, very interesting. The design and stuff. Push it back in. Let's see if it'll work to put it back in. Definitely pretty awkward to put this one back in, but I like it. Okay, very easy actually to put this back in, nice. How do we take this out? There's a clip, some sort, and then this come out, okay? And there's some kind of nail file of some sort, I have no idea, like some kind of file, looks like. You push it down and lock it in. Very interesting little multi-tool for sure. Next we got it here, surge. So as you can see, every multi-tool is so different. Wow, that is a beast. A really big one. Comes with a little extra filer. I guess you can adjust it. That's the biggest one I ever seen by Leatherman. Wow, that's cool. So first of all, ooh, that's pretty decent size. Easy to open it, I really like that. Oh wow, look at this scissors. I really have no idea what this is for. I don't know how this works. Interesting. What else is in here? Okay, serrated. How do we open that? Oh, it doesn't even open. Anyways, flip this whole thing over. Wow, that is a serious pliers. Don't have any springs, but it's okay, it's pretty smooth. Wire cutters, everything, same thing. We got it here. Can opener, much better one. Same thing right here. Screwdriver. Let's see what's in here. There's a ruler. More screwdrivers, a big flat one, or pry bar. Other tools. Like this one right here is put a raptor here or a really thick thread and fix the shoes and such. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, there's a little saw. Wow, look at that, it's replaceable. There you go. Little saw. This side here, push button. But what does it push on? It's like a push button for what? You push, easier to take it out, I guess. No? Oh, okay. Whenever you lock in one of the things, you see, whenever you want to release it, you press it and it will release easily. Okay, that's what it's for. Very cool, really thick Leatherman. This side here, Leatherman 3. What does it mean? This one, P4. Ooh, nice, silver this time. I really love the texture. Leatherman 3 P4. And it has this little notches. So let's open it. Ooh, first of all, very smooth. Locks in super nice, as you can see. It doesn't have the spring to keep it open, but it's very easy to open it and close it. Wire cutter, same thing. Okay, lock one side in, and it has this, what it is? Oh, this whole thing over here opens up. Same thing. Ooh, nice. I like it. This one is much more improved. It has a spring, we don't have to push it back every time. I do like that scissors a lot better already. Okay, we have right here can opener and a screwdriver, pry bar. Oh wow, this will not open. Why won't it? Okay, you gotta break it too. Let's close the other stuff. Wow, it is very easy to open and close. Yeah, that's why. And this is why. You press it here and close it. Press it here and open it. So that's kind of easy. Very easy. Locks it in. Gotta lock it in all the way. There you go. Locked in all the way. Use it. Then press here and close it. Wow, that is very smooth. Serrate it. It's not gonna go anywhere. Press it right here. Now it's easy to open and close. Same thing here. That's what means by free. And then there's another bottle opener. Pry bar with a little hole. Wow, it is really smooth, as you can see. And whenever it locks in, easy to unlock it. You press it and unlock it. Wow, I really like that. That is really smooth. What is in here? Oh, that's a pliers. Okay. Wow, it locks in so tight. Anyway, overall, awesome. I really like that. Definitely advanced multi-tool right here. Okay, we have one more. Let's see what's in this one. It's definitely a little bit different. Oh, this is the scissors or shears, whatever you want to call them. So it plugs it in onto your belt. If you need to cut up a bunch of, I don't know, different things, clothes and stuff. Leatherman Predator. Boom. There's a locking, unlocking mechanism. You can plug them by themselves. So you push this and it will fold this and this right here. I never seen scissors like that. It's high quality. Ooh, look at that. There's a little like, I guess rope cutter, seatbelt cutter, or maybe fabric cutter, shoe cutter, whatever. This is cool. What else was I missing? Did I miss anything? They're nice and big. Look at that, 3-finger. I have big hands, and this side here is not sharp, but really thick scissors as well. Wow. Ooh, no way, is this a cutter? Some kind of wire cutter of some sort. Is this even sharp? Not really, but you can maybe cut a wire of some sort. Very unique, I like it. Press here, press here. Boom. Put it on a clip as is. Oh, there's also a window breaker. Beautiful. Or you can put it into this holder. Which way does it go? Oh, like that. Cool. I think last two was my favorite, but they're all very unique and different. For different station, you might want different one. Leathermans are really popular multi-tools.